All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're taking a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, Bam Bam has a Mini Cooper with a oil consumption issue. We've done a leak down test on it, compression test. Those are checking out good. The crankcase vent system is at 1/2 inch of vacuum. So we're not thinking that's the problem, so he's still trying to figure this one out. This Lexus here is actually warranty. He did a valve cover gasket on it about, I think, 2 years ago. So it was starting to leak, so went ahead and warrantied it for the customer and an oil change. He got paid for it as its warranty. Now this one right here is mine. It's a BMW 1 Series. It is the turboed version, obviously. And about a year ago, I did a valve cover gasket on it. And unfortunately for the customer, the crankcase vent in the valve cover has failed. We've got excessive crankcase vacuum, so they're getting a new valve cover. This Honda Accord, it came in for a brake complaint. And unfortunately for me, that bolt hole right there on the pad carrier stripped out. So unfortunately, I'm waiting on a new carrier, which obviously a common problem when the Napa and Advanced Auto Parts have them in stock. So I'm waiting on a new one to come in tomorrow morning. So I'll get that one done up. Brake job, oil change, brake flush. They declined and in case you're wondering, I've already tried to helicoil it, but it unfortunately is already too wallowed out. The helicoil didn't hold. So, hence why the drill's out. So, unfortunately, it's toast, so new one will be in the morning. You'd think I filmed YouTube videos here. Zach has this nightmare right here. This is a BMW 6 Series that the customer bought at auction, and there'll be a whole video on this car. But yeah, it's ugly. Zach's other bay is empty. He finished everything else he had today. Josh finished a big job on a Beetle before he went home, so he's done. Christian is doing valve covers on this Lexus. Pretty gravy job. First time for him doing it, but going back together pretty well. Oh, and he got these new grip mats from the Cornwell dealer. Kind of cool. Jesse has a Ford Edge. With a bad throttle body. So he's waiting for the throttle body to come in the morning. And he also has a Acura. He's got a bad door latch, but unfortunately the cable also broke, so we're waiting for the cable to come in. And he also did a blower motor and resistor on it because they had failed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like what's going on around the shop, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.